Today's warfighters must contend with complex and ever-changing operational environments, sometimes conducting major combat counterinsurgency and peacekeeping missions during the same deployment. Not only must they hunt down and destroy enemy targets, they must simultaneously deal with a multitude of other variables on the battlefield. In combat, our forces must be prepared to quickly assimilate information from hundreds of sources. Their access and use of a vast array of high-tech tools, applications, and intelligence reachback gives them unprecedented situational awareness of their battle space. To better prepare today's Army to execute its missions and to shape the future combat force, the U.S. Army Training and Doctrine Command, or TRADOC, is reframing its training and education fundamentals and transforming how they're integrated inside the institutional schoolhouse, at home station, and at the combat training centers. Rigorous and relevant training and education must replicate the complexity and depth of the operational environment. It must continue to challenge soldiers and leaders who have returned from deployment where incredible resources were at their disposal. To do this, TRADOC has turned to its center of innovation, the JT COET, to harness technology and operational data like never before. It has developed a dynamic set of capabilities, systems, networks, and data repositories that together form what's called the training brain, and already it's making the scrimmage as hard as the game. The goal of the training brain is to quickly develop, update, and distribute relevant common training scenarios to the force and to simultaneously deliver them across the live, virtual, constructive, and gaming training environments. The training brain's vast stores of operational data, collected from hundreds of sources, are used to create a common framework for training that allows for a more complete and relevant representation of the operational environment. For example, during live training at the combat training centers, data from real-world operations is re-rendered and used to provide the volume and complexity of an operational theater. Real-world names become fictitious scenario characters, and locations in the operational theater become locations at the training center, while maintaining relational relevance to each other. The end result is a more robust and relevant scenario that rigorously tests the warfighter's situational awareness and decision-making in a way that fabricated data and scripted scenarios could never match. The training brain also supports real-time web-enabled analysis applications and a multitude of databases that provide data on everything from cultural information to precise physics-based data on weapon systems. As a part of the Army's continuum of learning, many of the virtual experiences soldiers encounter through the training brain will carry over seamlessly to their next operational assignment, giving them a familiar experience across training domains. This virtual world within a world grows more robust every day. TRADOC has set the Department of Defense standard for using modeling and simulations to rapidly replicate real-world events for use in training and in the schoolhouses. Through the training brain, TRADOC will soon apply scenarios and simulations to a massive, multiplayer online gaming platform. This virtual, immersive operational environment will be federated and scalable to allow users to interact and learn within the complexities of actual operational environments. The training brain, developed by TRADOC, enables and empowers leaders and units to prepare for and operate effectively in the complex and highly competitive operational environment of the future.